I think there's a growing trend here about sa ganitong klaseng competition or performance na kung saan hindi natin alam kung nagagalingan ba talaga tayo sa talent nila or naaawa lang sa kalagayan nila. Well, because in all honesty, that's not impressive. That's not even a good dance. Katulad din nung mga, alam mo yung nagkakarate na walang limbs, walang hands, feet. And, alam mo yun, it's supposed to be practical eh. But, you being in a martial arts, tapos medyo may kapansanan ka, hindi mo magagawa ng maayos yung martial arts nang hindi mo kontrolado or may missing body parts ka. Although hindi ko sinasabi that is impossible to happen, but it's going to be a lot harder than people with complete arms and legs or yung mga hindi disabled na tao. Ngayon, sinasabi ko ba na wala nang pag-asa yung mga PWD na kababayan natin? Of course not. But I think the best way here is for them to be able to go to a field that they can excel without the limitations ng physical capabilities nila. Ano yun? Brain power. Be an author. 'Di ba? Be a great computer programmer. Be a great designer. Be a great painter. Something that they could excel at. Nang, hindi sila nahihinder nung physical capabilities nila. And most likely, if ever, makita yung end product nung ginawa nila doon, people would not even think that they are disabled. 'Di ba? Kesa yung ipipilit natin doon sa mga bagay na alam nating hindi tayo pwedeng maging best doon sa field na yun, because once na makatapat tayo ng fully abled body, it's not going to be a good match. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.